How to activate the Citibank's credit card online. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to get or activate your credit card online for the Citibank, first of all, open any of your browser and go to the official website of Citibank. It is citi.com. Now from here you have different options, but you need to get logged in or you see the login portal on the right side of the screen. Hereby, just below the sign on button, you have the activate link. Tap on it and it'll take you to another page. The another page is the information for activation of your credit card, but there are certain information that you require. The first one is your account number or the card number. So just look it into your card and put in the card details. Then tap on continue. On the next page is your personal information and the card information. It includes the CVV number, your social security number, and much more. Once you have given all the information, it will verify for its security, and once done, you're good to go and your card has been activated. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.